the Prime Minister of India. Prime Minister is the CEO of our country. He represents our country at various platforms and he has plethora of powers up his sleeves. Starting with Jawaharlal Nehru, India's longest serving Prime Minister, we have come to the era of Ab Ki Baar Modi Sarkar. In between, we saw many powerful leaders taking on Indian diaspora. For example, Indira Gandhi, India's first lady Prime Minister and the person responsible for imposing dark period of Indian democracy, emergency of 1975. Prime Minister is generally the most popular leader in a country because he is the leader of the majority in Lok Sabha. After every general election, the party which has maximum number of seats or the coalition which has the largest number of seats will claim the post of Prime Minister. Their leader will become PM, then he will start allocating portfolios, ministries to different people. That means after becoming PM, PM picks up his own team. In order to become Prime Minister, one must be a citizen of India. He must have completed age of 25 years. He must have contested and won election of either Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. Only members of the parliament are entitled to become Prime Minister. Prime Minister has no fixed tenure. He can be removed at any point of time. He is entitled to the PM till the time he has the support of the House. President will administer oath to the Prime Minister and PM will submit his resignation to the President. Prime Minister performs plethora of functions. In relation to Council of Ministers, he recommends ministers, he allots and reshuffles portfolios, he presides over Council of Ministers meetings. In relation to President, he is the principal channel of communication. He is responsible to communicate all decisions and proposals of legislation. He is expected to furnish all information as the President may call for. In relation to Parliament, he advises summoning and prorogating of the sessions. He recommends dissolution of the Lok Sabha. He announces government policies in the House. Other powers. He is the ex-officio chairman of Planning Commission, now Niti Aayog, National Development Council, National Integration Council, Interstate Council, National Water Resource Council, etc. He shapes the foreign policy of our country and he is the chief spokesperson of our country.
Did you like this video? Then you should definitely check Endeavour-CLAT online course. 100 plus hours of live lectures, 120 plus topic-based videos, 500 plus sectional and full-length mock tests covering CLAT, IELTS, SLAT, LSAT, MHCET and more.